Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you one lesson that I learned in 2 decades of my design career, and that is being able to or being comfortable showing your incomplete design and collecting feedback on it from your engineering team, product team, and your colleagues. Why it is important? Because when we are designing, when we are working on an idea, it's continuously being defined by different teams, by different stakeholders. And every time if we create a high fidelity design, chances are that someone will suggest something that will either refine the idea, or if there is a pivot in the idea, we will be going back to the drawing board and starting from scratch. This could be quite daunting and quite frustrating if you had to do it too many times during a project. And to save you from that, I would suggest that you be comfortable, you practice sharing your work incomplete, in progress. That is when you are tasked with designing something, a user journey or a feature. Try starting from a very basic and low fidelity version. That could be paper prototyping, as you see on the screen. So this is usually what I would do. I would start with a paper prototype. I would draw it on the on a whiteboard and show it to stakeholders and show it to product managers and the team, and share with them what I'm thinking in terms of UX, or in terms of how the user journey would look like. And from there, most probably they would let me know where my UX is not supported by backend. The benefit of sharing early and at a low fidelity stage is that I would be able to collect ideas from my engineering team, from my product team, if there is further refinement required, if they would like to refine the idea itself or the solution itself, or maybe I'm showing something in my design that is feasibly not possible. And at this stage, they will be able to tell me, and they will even be able to share this feedback and save the whole team a lot of time. So from this stage, then we can go to wireframing, the grayscale design, a low fidelity design, a mid fidelity design, where I'm showing a bit more refined design, a bit more content, maybe not final content, but kind of I'm sharing more details of what the UX looks like, or what the final probability design looks like. And here again, the team will have an idea, or they will have a say in the design process. I will be including them, and they will be able to actually help me also with their feedback and refine these ideas. Remember that design is a collaborative, inclusive process. We should never be designing in isolation, and that's why it is important to be able to show your incomplete work and collect feedback on low fidelity designs as well. So moving forward, once you have started with your, let's say, paper prototype, moved on to a wireframe, and then you can move on to high fidelity and design those beautiful shiny elements, use all the colors you want, and impress everyone with your magical, beautiful design. And by this time, hopefully they will be able to refine the whole solution so much that they would not need to go back to pivoting too much, or providing a kind of feedback that will break your design and send you to the drawing board. And that's how you will save a lot of time, a lot of design time. You will save yourself from a lot of frustration, and you will make your colleagues, your stakeholders, and your product managers, you will make them feel included in the design process. So that's it. That's today's tip. Do let me know if this video is useful for you, and if you think that following these multiple steps from very low fidelity to going to high fidelity, and being comfortable showing your incomplete design and collecting feedback on it, if do you think this suggestion is really something useful for in your design career, in your day-to-day design job. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also let me know in comments if you would like to see more of these kind of videos, and if there is something else you would want me to cover. Until then, take care. Happy design.